Hello everyone, it's Brian, and in today's video I wanted to give you a quick tip on a common problem. The problem is that you get a project that has keyhole fasteners and you need to hang it on your wall. So in order to do this, I got a quick tip for you. So the quick tip is that you put painter's tape on the back of your project and you mark those center locations of where your screws need to be. Then you peel this off and you put it on the wall, and this is what it allows you to locate your anchors.